My name is Irene Houston. I am 60 years old and I have been with Dr. Patel since July of last year. I have lost 63 pounds as of yesterday, and it's just been kind of life-changing for me. 2 years ago, I was out of work for 6 months. I had to have back surgery and total hip replacement on the left side. I was an absolute mess. I had gotten up to about 260 pounds, and when COVID hit and nobody was going anywhere and nobody was doing anything, I found Dr. Patel on the internet and realized that the offices were opening across from where I work. And so I figured, why not? I have done Medifast, FinFin, you name it, I've done it. I mean, I've been dieting probably since I was 12. I came from a chubby family, so dieting was very important to us, and it just never succeeded. My first 2 weeks, I just did the medication, I did the contract, and then I did rapid for 2 months, and it made such a difference in my life. I have people who have noticed that I'm more vibrant, that I'm more outgoing, that I'm more energetic. I even joined a gym. I've never joined, well, I've joined gyms and quit. I joined a gym and I've been rowing since October. I've done 1,160,000 meters, which is 729 miles. And I was like, what the heck? My husband's like, how are you doing this? And I said, because I've changed who I am. I've changed my diet habits. I've changed my eating habits. I watch what I eat. I don't eat mindlessly. And Dr. Patel and the ladies here just help you get to the right mindset, so you're not eating to stuff down your feelings and things like that. I mean, I would rather go and row 3 times. I rowed twice yesterday. I rowed at 5 o'clock this morning. I don't get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I got up at 4:30 and went and rowed for 45 minutes. But it's just completely changed what I do and who I am. It's incredible what this has done for me. Since last July, this is now almost May, it's 9.5 months, I've lost 63 pounds. My health is so much better. My doctor was like, what have you done? When I saw her for my physical, because I had lost like 45 pounds. And she was like, oh my God, you finally listened to me. And I said, yeah, I did, finally. I was actually stuck between 245 and 235 pounds. I kept going back and forth and back and forth. Even last year before COVID, I got down to about 235 and bounced right back up to 245. I couldn't get past the 235. Even if I exercised, I walked, I didn't have anything to eat all day. And I was like, I need somebody to help me. And help me. I've actually had some friends who have come here. So, and it's like they saw what it did for me and they decided they were gonna do it too. So it's been an amazing event, and I'm still coming because I still have some more weight and I have to stabilize, but I knew that this was going to be a journey, not a quick fix. And I appreciate all the help I get from these folks here.